Now, the government and the telecom regulator have no intention to intervene in the teleco's decision to increase prices, with officials saying that the tariffs in India are still among the cheapest in the world. Authorities, though, want the companies to ramp up their focus on quality of services and focus on protecting the interests of subscribers. The officials also clarify that the market determines the telecom prices. Ishika still joins us with more details. Ishika, take us through the government's clarification on the tariff prices of telecom sectors.
Well, in fact, after we saw that, the private telecom service providers, announced their increased tariff rates. After that, the government, has come out with a clarification, and they, in fact, have said that these rates of communication services are decided by the market forces, and the government does not intervene in the free market decisions. Now, the government also says that these, these increase in the mobile tariffs have not been done in the past 2 years. Now, they say that, but in these 2 years, these, telecom service providers have invested heavily in rolling out 5G services across the country, and thus for the orderly growth of the telecommunication sector, the financial viability of the sector is in fact important. Remember, the opposition, that is the Congress party, had attacked the union government, saying that how can they in fact let such an increase in the mobile tariffs for the common people, because the Congress claims that this burden is of 34,824 crore annually for those 109 crore cell phone users of these three private cell phone companies. Now the Congress party had also in fact questioned that was the government waiting till the parliament concludes for these private sectors to in fact roll out these new mobile tariff plans, so that they cannot be questioned on this in the parliament. So certainly after this, the government has issued this clarification, saying that in fact all of this is regulated by the market forces, and the government does not in fact intervene in the free market decisions.